Indian space legend Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla has returned to India after his historic visit to the International Space Station. Group Captain Shukla returned to Earth on July 15 after the Axiom 4 mission, during which he became the first Indian to set foot on the International Space Station. After landing in Delhi, Shuks was welcomed at IGI Airport by Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta and Union Minister of State for Space Jitendra Singh. His historic space sojourn will be discussed in Parliament on Monday. Captain Shuks is also expected to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and later participate in the National Space Day celebrations on August 22nd and 23rd. Shukla said in a post on social media that he is eager to share his experiences with friends and colleagues back home after receiving incredible love and support from everyone during and after the mission. His return to India comes as ISRO gears up for the launch of Gaganyaan, India's flagship human spaceflight program.
After completing Axiom 4 mission, Shubhanshu Shukla has landed here at Indira Gandhi International Airport here in the national capital, where Minister Jitendra Singh and Delhi CM Rekha Gupta especially came here to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla. Here in the visuals I'll show you. Just Shubhanshu Shukla has landed here after completing his 18 days International Space Station mission and after staying in the United States. Now Shukla has landed here and now he'll be heading to his place, and soon he'll be meeting PM Modi, and he will be starting his work for his upcoming mission like Gaganyaan mission and various other ISRO mission. While staying at ISS, he has done various of the research which will be used for India's upcoming space program. And here at IGI Airport, I'll show you visuals that people holding tricolor from various corners of the national capital have gathered here to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla. Here in the visuals you can see other various senior officials of ISRO, ministers as well as Delhi CM Rekha Gupta have specially come here to welcome India's pride Shubhanshu Shukla, who will be soon meeting PM Modi. Will be discussing about his journey and upcoming India space leap in astro technology with cameraman Anil Jaiswal and Mulpali.
नहीं तो वो तो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जैसा कि उन्होंने कहा है, गगनयान के लिए ही इन लोगों का चयन हुआ था और उसी की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। क्योंकि अब इनके पास एक्सपीरियंस हो गया है तो ये उसको जो है अपने हिसाब से लीड करेंगे और उसकी तैयारी में पूरा सहयोग करेंगे और उसके जाने में वहाँ साथ में भी रहने का इनका जो है वो है प्रोग्राम है। जैसा विभाग द्वारा जो भी डिसाइड होगा उस हिसाब से काम करेंगे।
युवा प्रतिभाओं की ऊर्जा से शक्ति प्राप्त करके हमारे आंतरिक कार्यक्रम का अभूतपूर्व विस्तार हुआ है। मुझे विश्वास है कि शुभांशु शुक्ला की इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन की यात्रा ने एक पूरी पीढ़ी को ऊंचे सपने देखने की प्रेरणा दी है। ये अंतरिक्ष यात्रा भारत के आगामी मानव अंतरिक्ष उड़ान कार्यक्रम गगनयान के लिए अत्यंत सहायक सिद्ध होगी।